Hey guys, I'm back, and I'm, like I said, I'm back. Is that chicken? No, that's sheep. Alright, well anyway, I'm back with another jungle survival. It didn't say what to put it on, I just left it on what it was. Put up the sound a little, put up the music a little. Done, back. I have no idea where there'd be some food. Little cavern. Oh, almost fell down. I seriously want to eat some zombie. Should I do that? Should I eat some zombie? Alright, hold up, I'll be right back. Yeah, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. And I'm hungry, so I'm gonna just make myself a bed. And I'm going to sleep and fight in the morning. I cannot run. Or I do need spider to make myself a fishing rod. But I think it would be easier if I do it this way. Actually, hold up. I think I can find some food. I just need to go looking for it. I don't know. There's a spider. Yes. Come at me, bro. Give me 2. No, 1. Okay. Oh, snap. I can't eat it. No. Okay. I'm gonna eat this. No. Flock. Yes. Okay. That was scary. Creeper. I do not want to die. I should probably go out into the water and not die. I'm just gonna float away and wait till morning. Because I do not have any wood. I did not come prepared for all of this. Just gotta hurry up and swim home. Crud, there's a skeleton there where I live. Oh my god, man, just hurry up and become morning. Wait, let's make a bed. Okay, cool. Cool beans. It's actually scaring the crap out of me right now. I saw something. I'm gonna blockade myself. Crap, I can't. Just need 3 pieces of wood. Okay. No, don't start disappearing. There. Okay, anyway. Now that I'm good. And I can make myself a crafting table. Put you right there. Make myself up. Yeah. Gonna need this. If I die. Yes. It's becoming morning. There's a monster. Not there are monsters. Oh, cool. Wait, I can just make a fishing rod. Okay. I think that's, yeah. Okay, cool. Anyway, I'm still gonna make myself a bed. Still gonna make myself a bed. Oh, wait, no. Okay. This dirt. Let's glue it right here so it won't disappear. Let's go to sleep. Okay. I shall go fishing in the morning. It is the morning. Everything is okay. No spiders to be worrying about. And we can go fishing. Sit right here. Let's go fishing. What the? Here we go. One fish would be okay. Yes. Did I get it? I got it. F the sword. Let's eat. Oh man. Let's go fishing. Stupid creeper. Some more fish. There's another creeper. Do not need the chest, and I can probably make myself. Not make myself, but make my way home now. That was pretty hard. Already half a heart. I'm gonna need a furnace before I go home, won't I? Yeah, I'm gonna need a furnace. I actually have no idea where I'm going. I think this is it. Seems like the Twee. Yeah, this is it. Good thing about this is there's no creepers. Why did this disappear? I don't know why it disappeared. Give me back my spruce. I'm at my jungle tree. Wood. I don't make homes. I enforce them. I don't know why they're there. Anyway, ish. Are you able to eat cocoa beans? I think you're able to eat cocoa beans. I don't need the string. Don't need this. Or this. Not. Eat some more of the fish. Yum 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 yum. Didn't even fill up any of my hunger. Need my forward. Need that. Don't need an axe. I'm bringing you. Okay, so let's go back down. Doop. Boop 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 boop. And let's get some cobblestone. More of that. More of this, more of that, more of this, more of that. Whoop. Wait, did I just... Wait, no, never mind. Yeah, okay. Just making sure. That so quick.